Ready, set, no. DDA's home and community-based services waivers. Changes are coming October 2020. Changes to the Developmental Disability Administration's home and community-based waivers will begin happening this fall. Some new services will be added. Some will be renamed or redefined. Some will be removed. This is being done to comply with federal requirements that don't allow the same service to be provided under a waiver if it's also provided through another Medicaid program, such as Apple Health or Community First Choice. Highlights of what to expect. New services include specialized habilitation. These are supports for individuals to learn or maintain skills in self-empowerment, safety awareness and self-advocacy, effective communication, coping strategies, managing daily tasks and acquiring adaptive skills. Complementary therapies, which include music therapy and equine therapy. Therapeutic adaptations. Unlike environmental adaptations, which are for accessibility, therapeutic adaptations are for more sensory-related modifications. For example, creating a sensory room or space with white noise, soft flooring, therapeutic lighting, etc. Renamed and redefined services include community engagement will replace community guide. Stabilization services will replace behavioral health stabilization services for short-term crises. Removed services include specialized psychiatric services, which is available through Apple Health. Skilled nursing, except nurse delegation, for youth aged 20 and younger who can be covered for this service through early periodic screening and diagnosis, or EPS-DT for short. Personal care from Basic Plus Waiver, which is available through Community First Choice. Behavioral health stabilization services, positive behavior support and specialized psychiatric services, except diversion beds, which will be available through specialized habilitation and staff family consultation as part of the newly named stabilization services offered under all waivers. These are short-term crisis services. Positive behavior support and consultation for adults aged 21 and older in the IFS, Basic Plus, and Core Waiver, which are available through Apple Health and Waiver specialized habilitation as ongoing services. Youth aged 20 and younger currently receiving positive behavior support will continue to have access to this service. Everyone who is currently receiving services that are proposed to be removed or phased out will be transitioned to other Medicaid services during a transition process. The transition process from specialized habilitation will occur at your next scheduled annual assessment after October 1st, 2020. And other services being removed will end on October 1st, 2020. All of these changes are meant to comply with federal requirements while also ensuring a respectful, person-centered approach that seeks to reduce social, cultural, and environmental barriers to living a full life. These are just some of the major highlights. Talk to your DDA case manager to find out how changes to waiver services will affect you.